Now I'm going to keep the audio. The audio is going through the Osmo. So you can see I'm putting together my GoPro 11, I think it is. All right. Let me show you what I'm doing. Okay. So what I have here is a mess. What I have here is the Osmo, whatever you call this thing, the Osmo Pocket 3. I have a little stand, the Ulanzi PT20, and I'll show you what this is. I'm going to turn this off. This has, it's like a little L-shaped bracket right here, and allows me to plug in my Rode Wireless Go 2 via the USB-C plug. And unfortunately, the other USB-C is on the front. So I think I'm going to look for maybe an L-shaped USB-C. This one's way too long anyway. I have it wrapped around, which is kind of silly. I can pick it up and hold it if I wanted to. Like, well, I can't do this with one hand. What I can do is, I lost my face. I can pick it up and hold it like this. I mean, it defeats the purpose of it being so small, but if I'm using it in my house, I can do that. So you can see it's hooked in by this little L-shaped bracket. I then have it attached to a, let me see, I need more hands to put this stuff down. This tripod here, let's see. Okay, so I have, let me recenter this thing. Oops, going the wrong way. All right, there's a face. Okay, so what I have here is this Arca Swiss plate, this little small rig tripod. Let me show you what this is over here. So it's just, maybe I'll unscrew it. Again, it's Ulanzi PT20. Maybe not the most ideal thing. I'll show you what it is. Perfect. So it's just a little, it's this. It's a little L-shaped bracket. I guess you can make your own if you wanted to. Or I could just let this hang off of this if I wanted. There's no reason this can't literally hang off, other than it just doesn't look that good. But you can attach it any different direction. You could attach it facing up, back out. This fits actually very well, only in one direction. The clip goes on like that. That's the easiest way for it to fit right there. So it just, a screw goes underneath it. It's just going through the hole like this. And again, I'm rigging it up, but the Rode, you can put it sideways, you can put it however you want. Yeah, I'll stick it sideways like this. If you don't care about the wire sticking out. Now, I bought a smaller wire thinking that was going to do the trick, but the problem is not the wire, it's the connections. With these connections sticking out on the side and out on the front here, that's no good. We need like an L-shaped plug so it goes to the sides. So I'll hunt around for an L-shaped plug. Now, what I have on the GoPro, I can show you. Let me flip this around. Now we're going to cut over to this GoPro. What I use is I have a cage for it right here, and this little L-shaped thing. Now theoretically, I don't want to take this off, but theoretically I can pull this off and use this if I wanted to. This would actually be ideal. This has a jack for a 3.5-inch plug, And this little thing was probably 40 bucks. So I don't know, at some point you're better off just buying the microphone. So here, if I had something that had two L-shaped connectors like this, that's too close. This is perfect though. Look at that. So if I plug that into the front, if I plugged it into the front over here, it wouldn't be in the way anymore. And then you can kind of connect it to something. Anyway, I could figure something out. Honest to goodness, the problem was I didn't want to wait. There was about a month and a half back order for the Osmo that had this, whatever, the DJI one of these, and I couldn't wait. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. You can rig something up and it'll work. You'll be hearing the audio. You'll be hearing the audio through this. I didn't adjust it. This is like right out of here. I'm not going to play with the levels. All right. Thanks for watching.